Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an amazing tutorial on how to download and import a UDP custom file into the HTTP custom app. For more tips and tricks on fast browsing and VPN connections, be sure to check out our blog. And if you're new here, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. First, grab your device and head over to the Play Store. In the search box, type in HTTP Custom and hit Search. When you see the HTTP Custom app in the search results, click on the Install button and download it onto your device. Once the app is installed, go ahead and open it. You should now be on the home page of the app. Next, you'll need to enable the UDP feature. To do this, simply check the box next to UDP. Now we need the UDP file. Open any browser and search for UDP Custom. Click on the link that says UDP Custom Configure. This will take you to the home page of the website. On the home page, click on the menu button. This will open a list of options. From these options, click on Free UDP Configure, indicated by the arrowhead button. You'll be presented with two options: UDP Request File and UDP Custom File. Click on UDP Custom File. This will take you to a page where you can select your desired location. Choose your preferred location from the list and click on it. A list of daily updated files will appear. Find the latest file and click on it. This will open the download page. On the download button to download the file to your device. Once the file is downloaded, go back to the HTTP custom app. Make sure the UDP checkbox is still checked. Now click on the plus icon below the UDP checkbox. A small window will open up. Click on Open Configure. This will open the download folder on your device. Locate the file you just downloaded and click on it. Once the file is imported into the app, you'll see the configuration settings loaded. Now, simply click the Connect button. In a few seconds, you'll be connected to a fast browsing internet connection through the VPN. And that's it! You've successfully downloaded and imported a UDP custom file into the HTTP custom app. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Also, check out our blog for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy browsing!